Hey everyone, today doing stairs for my deck here, just coming off the side here, and not coming out very far, just 2 steps I want down. So I just measured how I want it to be 2 of these wide. So I want my stringer, with some measuring I get done here, I want with an overlap, and then to put the fascia board on, I calculated that with the gaps in the deck already. I want the stringer to be 11 and a quarter inches long. That'll give me the 2 steps. I want some decently wide steps, and then the gaps between them, and the room for the fascia on either side of the stringer as well. So I calculated all that out, and then I wanted, and because it's I only want 2 steps. I'm going to step down 1, and then a step down 2. So that means, because this is only the height from the concrete to here is only like 26 inches or something like that. Wait, what was it? No, it was like 16 inches, I'm sorry. I calculated, divided that by 3. Basically each step needs to be 5 inches. 5 and 9 tenths inches, 5 and 9 sixteenths, 5 and 10 sixteenths inches. So I'm going to go right between those two. So 5 and 9 and a half sixteenths, if that makes sense. Inches. Okay. So anyway, to cut that out, you want to trying to figure this out on the stringer can be, you just got like a 2x12 pressure treated. Trying to figure that out on doing all the math on that can be a little bit complicated. I am not a square expert, so I don't really know how to use that well, but I can kind of figure it out pretty easily. You can cut out a jig really quickly to help you do that, and then you could actually figure out the angle later if you wanted to. Not that it matters, because I think the jig is just way easier. So the height is the rise, which is 5 inches and 9 and a half sixteenths, if that makes sense. And then the run was 11 and a quarter inches. So what you want to do is just measure that out, and then you'll cut this out, and that'll give you a piece called a jig. That'll be the piece that you cut out of the rest of the wood on the way down. And it takes care of having to measure all the angles and stuff like that. Just do a jig real quick. So I'm going to cut this out real quick, and then I'm going to show you how to use it, and we'll be back.